Hey zombies bros, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to play the Battlelands Royale game, one of the most popular game on my channel. Yeah, so let's get on with it. But before that, I want to say you something. You can't hear the Battlelands sounds because there's a quite a bit of problem in my system. Yeah, that's the problem. Actually, the background music is so dull, or I could say is so slow that I can't even hear the enemies. And if I hear them, it just came a lot late than I expected it. Okay, so yeah, please get on with it. So I'm going to make the sounds myself. So yeah, let's battle. And we are going to play the new legendary squads game mode. Okay, you will see it in this. There's a whole new map, and we are going to play with it. And one of the best thing is you get everything, every gun in the legendary state. Yeah, the Scaril, yes, the minigun, yes, but minigun you can only obtain with the drop, so I don't think I'm gonna get with the drop. And there's the glitch again. I'm so happy to see this glitch. I can't even, you know, tell you how happy I am. I guess that's it. Yeah, I can only see two of my persons on the map. I mean, not now, the before I was selecting my space, my my place where I'm gonna land. Yeah, I don't think there are any golden chests in here, are there? Yeah, because every gun is golden. Okay, okay, let's be with the squad. Let's go, let's go. So I should take this shotgun on my AK. That's a whole lot of confusion, you know. Actually, I'm going to take the shotgun. I'm sorry for those guys who know who's better and not. But yeah, I prefer shotgun here because it does quite a lot of damage when you are in the range. Okay, let's follow pink and green. Okay, there's just whenever I say something, the opposite happens as soon as I say something. I say that. What the hell are these two doing? Are they okay? Blue and me going. There's see 32 damage all at once, but still I got rid of health. Okay, that's not that's not good. That's definitely not good. I'm on such, oh, thank god you dropped that medikit. I'm so glad, bro. I don't know what I done if I had not taken that medikit or not. Yeah, let's go to the safe zone right now. What the hell are they doing, bro? No, no, not getting into that fight right now. Just finish him. Okay, that was a very bad idea. And they are yes, come, come. Yeah, I thought we were. Those two were bots or something, I guess. Yeah, red and green were bots or something. And I'm sorry, guys. There will be only 10 minutes of content here because I don't have any much net to upload more than that. I guess that's it. 5 minutes in the video, and let's see, and let's check out the events or something. Okay, classic event, defeat battlers. Okay, so Sorry. Yeah, so not legendary squads. I'm gonna play with the squads. Yeah, let's do that and see can we win, or I'm such a noob that I can't win in any of them. And I also want to see that is map changed in this game mode, because we know that the map is changed on the legendary squads game mode, but I don't know about this one. Oh, that okay. Okay, what are these logs? Restricted area, battle pass required. Okay, so I'm not in shape of purchasing any battle pass, and that's very bad Battlelands, I guess. Those who have purchased it, they will be in a advantage, because I don't think many of them will be there. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, come on, bro. Yeah. That's the worst thing could happen in the whole Battlelands. You are shooting and a teammate is just in front of you so that he could take your bullet. Yeah. And we all lost because of that. I think this video's title should be Battlelands, but I can never win. Okay, 640. And by the way, guys, I may have downloaded Minecraft and I am playing with my friends. So if you want to see that, I'm most happy to record a series about that. So please tell in the comments, should I do a solo survival series or a squad survival series in which my whole squad will be there. Total battle, total wins, total kills. Double kills. I this bro, someone's going on the legendary thing, yeah. I'm just yeah, nothing. I'm just getting on nothing. Yeah. Two of them have purchased the battle pass, and that's very good for a team, I guess, because they will be getting. Hey, I can't. Can I enter that area? Or it's closed by. I can enter that legendary area, but I can't deploy it. What is going on, Battlelands? Am I right? Or what is going on, Battlelands? Bro, I wanted that. Yeah, I guess I was a little too late. Okay. Battlelands, that's very bad of you that only Battle Pass users can deploy on it, but non Battle Pass users can go inside that area if they have. What the hell is going on? I can't explain it, but you understand. You are my viewers, right? I guess so. Okay. Yeah, you are so running, bro. You are running far. You're so far. Just wait for me, would ya? Very good. Oh yeah. Okay. Why not? Just encountering any other enemy while I am chasing my own teammates, right? Yeah. The best thing that I could do. Bro, let's surround him, shall we? Yeah. I just spoke about it and they're doing so. Okay, no. I don't think any of that is of use right now. Okay, the I'm sorry about that. I'm out of Jaipur and that's why I'm not editing this video. This is the raw content of my channel. Okay, all the squad there. Very good. Some ammo, why not? Yeah, you will take it. Wow. Okay. Medikit, I don't. Okay. Blue needs it, but he's not here. Oh, let's go to the parachute thing, I guess. Parachute thing. Oh, parachute. And I'm shocked to see that the Battlelands map has changed. Because I just started to play on which season? 12? Yeah, I just started to play on season 9 and I don't think that the map has changed. Let's do it. You are getting down. You are down. I'm gonna take your loot. Don't mind me. Okay, yellow is getting beaten up. Okay. Taking another enemy down. What do you do in a Battlelands video? Thank God you dropped them. I don't think I will find it. 70 health and we are going to the safe zone. Oh, come on. Are you getting all the kills? Why don't I get the kills? I think I'm a bit rusty in it now. After that much time, I just came here and do Battleland video. Yes, let's do it. The Minigun Pro is fighting and all, and I'm gonna take you down. I guess not, please. Yeah, we win. The first match we win, and it's over 10. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you like my content, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.